Hello friends, this is your statistics lecture. Today we are going to start a new chapter named Skewness of Frequency Distribution. Skewness of Frequency Distribution. Skewness. In our earlier chapter we have discussed about measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion. But to know about more for the observation for the classes we have to study skewness. Before start skewness, we must learn about the symmetry. We must learn about the symmetry. Symmetric frequency distribution. A frequency distribution in which the observation of the population are evenly distributed. A frequency distribution in which the observation of the population are evenly distributed on the both side of mode. Mode हमने देख लिया, is called symmetric frequency distribution and its frequency curve is called symmetric frequency curve. Okay. Here is an example. Daily wages of worker 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1400. Number of workers 1, 3, 6, 9, 6, 3 and 1. Okay. Now we draw the diagram about this information. Let's take here 100, 200, 100 towards 1500 because the minimum frequency is 200 and maximum is 1400. Put the number of workers and when we make a diagram, the maximum number is 9. Maximum 9. So the mode is 800. This is our mode. This is the mode. This is the point of showing the mode. Okay. From the mode there are two sides of this diagram. First one is left side and second one is this is right side. This is left, total left side. ये जो टोटल है वो पूरा लेफ्ट साइड और इतना पूरा राइट साइड. बोथ साइड आर इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं पूरा इक्वली है, इक्वल है, सारे पॉइंट्स मैच हो रहे, ऑल द पॉइंट्स आर मैच्ड ईच अदर. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कर्व, दिस टाइप ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज कॉल्ड सिमेट्रिक फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके. Some characteristics of symmetric frequency distribution are: in symmetric distribution, mean, median and mode have same value. Means x bar equal to median equal to mode. X bar means mean, capital M means mode and MO means capital M denote median and MO denote mode. All three values are same. First quartile Q1 and third quartile Q3 are at equal distance from median. Means Q3 minus M equal to M minus Q1. Q3 represents 75% observation while Q1 represents 25% observation. Median or Q2 is equal. Median और Q2 equal है and it represent 50% of observation. So Q3 minus M equal to M minus Q1 is equal in symmetric distribution. Okay, this is the symmetricity. The frequency curve of the frequency distribution is found to be bell shaped. सिमेट्रिक फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसा होता है? बेल शेप का होता है. बेल जो मंदिर में बेल होता है ना, उस शेप का ये होता है. इट इज कॉल्ड बेल शेप्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. बेल शेप्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके. द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ मोड इज इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. आप देख सकते हैं सब इक्वल है. ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हुए हैं. दिट इज कॉल्ड सिमेट्रिक फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. नाउ कम टू आवर मेन पॉइंट, स्क्यूनेस. द फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विथ लैक ऑफ सिमेट्री, यानी ऐसा फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जिसमें सिमेट्री हो ही ना, इज कॉल्ड स्क्यूड फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. दस लैक ऑफ सिमेट्री इज कॉल्ड स्क्यूनेस. What is the features of skewness? If in a distribution skewness occur, means the value of mean, median and mode are not same, because x bar, m and mode are not same. These values are not same in skewness. Quartiles Q1 and Q3 are not at equal distance. Q1 और Q3 equal distance पे नहीं होंगे. Q3 minus m does not equal to m minus Q1. The right or left tail of the frequency curve is more elongated. Means कि ये bell shaped का नहीं होगा. It is not bell shaped. Skewed frequency distribution does not support bell shaped frequency distribution. It may be right elongated या left elongated, यानी या तो right side ज़्यादा होगा या left side ज़्यादा होगा. Okay. Types of skewness. There are two types of skewness: positive skewness and negative skewness. There are two types of skewness: positive skewness and negative skewness. First of all, positive skewness. If the right tail of the frequency curve of a distribution is more elongated, then it is called positive skewed distribution. Okay, ये जो distribution है आप देख सकते हैं. This is mode. Maximum number is 14. So 3 is mode. This is mode. Left side only 2 frequencies, but right side so many frequencies are situated in right side. So right curve is more elongated. Right curve is more elongated in comparison of left curve. So it is positive skewness. Positive skewness. Okay, because this is mode, this is mode, this point shows mode 3, 14 is the maximum, so 3 is the mode. But after this right curve is more elongated in comparison of left curve, so this curve is called positive skewness curve. Okay. Some characteristics of positive skewness. Positive skewness की some characteristics. X bar is greater than median and median is greater than mode. Means कि positive skewness में X bar सबसे बड़ा होगा, after that median and then mode. Q3 minus M is more than M minus Q1. Means the result of Q3 minus M is more than of result of M minus Q1. The right tail is more elongated. Okay. Understood? Next, negative skewness. In positive, right tail is more elongated. In negative skewness, left tail of frequency curve of distribution is more elongated. In positive skewness, right tail of curve is more elongated. Then in negative skewness, left curve is more elongated. You can see here, this point show mode. This is mode. Right side only 1, 2, 3, 4 observation, but left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 observations are situated in right side of this curve. This is right side, while this is left side. More observation are situated in left side, means left curve is more elongated. So this curve is called negative skewness, negative skewed curve. Okay. Some important feature of negative skewness. Important feature of negative skewness: X bar is less than median, median is less than mode. Means in negative skewness, X bar is the least measure, then median and mode is the highest measure. सबसे बड़ा mode होगा, फिर median और X bar सबसे छोटा. Q3 minus m is less than m minus Q1. Q3 minus m छोटा होगा, m minus Q1 बड़ा होगा. The left tail of the frequency curve is distribution is more elongated. Left curve ज़्यादा elongated होगा. Again listen student, in symmetrical frequency distribution, all the measures like mean, median and mode are equal. Q3 minus Q1 equal to m minus Q1. Okay, but when lack of symmetry in the frequency distribution is called skewness. Symmetrical में जब भी lack कमी होगी तो skewness होगा. Skewness has two types, positive skewness and negative skewness. Feature characteristic of skewness means x bar, mean, median and mode are not same. Q3 minus 1 is not same for m minus Q1. There are two types of skewness, positive skewness and negative skewness. If right curve is more elongated, it is positive skewness. If left curve is more elongated, it is negative skewness. Okay.